There are scientific reasons for flowers' beautiful colors, such as attracting animals to spread nectar and enabling them to reproduce. Just the same, there could have been many other ways to allow for plant species to produce. It's my belief that the world is beautiful, so that we could have pleasure of enjoying it. How can you see through me when you never look my way? How do you breathe freely when I'm holding mine all day? Sitting in confinement in the center of a crowd, looking at the lines that we keep drawing out, slowly they all wither, and it becomes just you and I. Slowly, come hither, just one last goodbye. My fingers clench upon me so they don't rush to find your hands. I stay where I have been because my knees won't let me stand. If I never say the words, this moment may not end. When you turn to walk away, the pain is just too much. The things that I would say just to feel your touch. Stay blessed. Hopefully, my dearest viewers, you have enjoyed my poem and my discussions on the nature and the flowers. You can see the beautiful flowers in this video in the flower beds, decorated and looking so amazing, so attracting your mind and giving relax to your mind. Friends, I'm trying very hard to bring the beautiful stuff for my viewers, and wish you will respond me by liking this video and subscribing my channel. And also I request all of you to share this video. You can see I'm trying very hard, and you can see the beautiful flowers that giving relax to your mind when you got sight of these flowers. What a lovely, beautiful and innocent flowers are. Flowers are always the best source to refresh your mind, to make you cool and happy.